Oh God, let me go in here and act like I give a fuck and be fake for 8 motherfucking hours. God damn, bullshit.
Ayo, what up, family? It's your boy FFDog47, man, aka your friendly neighborhood, the GOAT. And we are back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download TikTok Live Studio, how to set up TikTok Live Studio for best quality result while streaming, and how to go live on TikTok. Yeah! With no further ado, let's just go ahead, man. First thing first you're gonna do, you're gonna jump to your favorite browser and just go to any browser that you prefer and type TikTok Live Studio, okay?
Okay.
And click enter. It's gonna bring you here to this page. The first page, that's where you're gonna click. I will leave the link in the video description below in case you're too lazy to type and shit.
I'm scared, but I'll tie the liver.
Then you're gonna click on download for Windows. This is our download right here on the top right corner. Okay, it's done downloading. Let's just go ahead and locate it. Download. Let's go. And here's our TikTok application installation.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
So you're gonna double click it. Let's wait for it to open. Then we're gonna click yes.
Yes.
Let's close this window and this one. This is our TikTok Live Studio installation program. So here, you can just go ahead and install now. Click install now. Then it's gonna go ahead and download everything.
Get him black. Get him black. Get him black. Get him black.
Money.
Fuck him up.
Right, it's done. We're gonna go ahead and open our application. This is the second step. We're gonna set up everything in TikTok for high quality streaming. Yeah! So let's just go ahead. I'll walk you through everything as quick as I can, okay?
Okay.
If you know how to tweak your settings, it's up to you. You can tweak them the way you want, okay?
Okay.
Since it's the first time logging in into TikTok Studio Live, you're gonna go ahead and log in to begin. You will see it will log in. Okay, as you can see, it says welcome FFDog47. We're gonna set this thing as a new device. As I said, this is a guideline for beginners, or even if you are a professional but you forgot some of the settings, you're gonna go ahead and set up now. Of course, we're gonna go for gaming. General is up to you. So for me, as much as I've said, I'm a gaming content creator, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose gaming, showcase yourself playing video games. And here we go. It's testing my mic. I'm using this mic, okay?
Okay.
This is the mic that I'm using. There is no camera for now, so we're gonna go ahead and click next. It's gonna test our upload speed, all that kind of stuff. So let's just wait for it. This is not the final thing. This is just a guideline on a first time installation. I'll show you from the inside, okay?
Okay.
Let's say my upload speed is 123, which is good. Yeah, I'm using Ryzen 5 340G, which is good. Then I'm gonna go for quality priority because I want my stream to be,
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Okay, let's just go ahead and click OK. Yeah, this is where I want y'all to pay attention, okay?
Okay.
Let's just do this. Customize. Okay, we're gonna customize. First thing first, for resolution, we're gonna go for 1920 and 1080, okay?
Okay.
Resolution is the quality your stream is gonna stream on TikTok. And for refresh rate,
Cap.
we're gonna go for 60, which is frame rate per second.
It's a wow.
We don't want any glitching or anything like that. Then for the speed, I'm gonna go for 7. For you, you might go for 5, it's fine, but 4, upwards is recommended, okay? Then audio, I'm gonna go for 256. Then the encoder, I'm gonna go for the recommended one, which is NVIDIA H265. We all know that. Then we're gonna go ahead and click next. I like to do dual neon lights, of course. Yeah, one more time.